extensive modernization of one of the largest candy manufacturers in the Czech Republic, Candy, took place at the candy plant in Rohatec near Hodonín. The investment involved a new cooling technology. The suggestion was to build the engine room with as much reliability as possible, which is the basis for this production, as there is a 24-hour operation. The source of cold here is designed heat pumps or cooling units from our company Master. There are 11 facilities that are divided into 3 basic circuits. In the first cooling circuit, 2 Aquamaster 90 inverters with fully modulated power were installed to provide cooling in the temperature gradient of ±2 degrees Celsius, resulting in ice water. Another circuit then feeds the remaining technology in a temperature gradient of 15 to 18 degrees, and the third circuit is a cold source for air conditioning, and it runs on a downward 12 to 6 degrees Celsius. All equipment installed in the production works in power cascades, and the total cooling capacity of the engine room exceeds 600 kW. Cooling efficiency reaches or exceeds 4, which means that the power consumption is less than a quarter of the cold produced. This is relatively high value. One of the preferred features of the engine room is the use of waste heat. Waste heat is primarily directed to the return of entire production area. Only heat that cannot be used in the area, neither for heating nor for hot water, is thrown on an outdoor dry cooler. The volume of heat that is returned to the heating technology is 3,900 gigajoule, which, converted to money for the investor, means a profit of 1,400,000 Czech crowns per year. Along with the values, the engine room is characterized by high cooling efficiency and reliability of individual components even during 24-hour operation. Another important element is low noise and vibration. We stand in this engine room, and there is a sense of relative acoustic comfort, and there is nothing to be heard behind the walls of this engine room. This is a great advance compared to conventional commercial coolers. Part of the entire master temp system is the heat shrinking unit located on the roof of the building. At some point, the technology generates excess heat, which we can no longer run into the places where we need it in normal operation. So we have installed the heat shrinking units where it blows heat through the coolers into the free space. Installation of the whole technology at Candy lasted for about 3 months. The first is basically the basis, that is, the engine room, the heart of the whole technology. Consequently, the distribution is made to the production halls, and the third part is always done by the outdoor work. That is what the heat shrinking units here. All these things, when you look left to right, are huge components. Everything must be aligned with crane technology. Everything is done on the roof with the help of a crane, and it is always an operation that is the most complex of all this technology to fine-tune all the elements. The master term engine provides cooling and dehumidification in 3 different production areas, each of which requires specific conditions. Each part of this technology consumes a certain low potential code that is needed for the technology. All rules are climate controlled to maintain individual temperature and humidity ranges in prescribed modes. These are then shown to hygiene and to individual auditors. Modes must be kept so that the resulting output has the correct parameters.
správný parametry.